weiß nicht. Ist irgendwas zu sehen? Blaues Feuer. Ist das Eisenholz, was da... Eine Eisenholzfackel, die brennen blau.
You were right, Garrett. This has to be the North Grove.
Oh, finally. I knew it. I told you it was real.
I should have had more faith in you. Look. Whoever they are, they can help us.
Hurry!
Previously on Game of Thrones.
Genau, bisher bei Game of Thrones.
But now I realize it might be far more entertaining to watch Lud tear you to pieces. Last house standing wins.
You have a good head for business, Lady Mira. What you need more than anything is an ally.
I have to get in there, Sarah.
Look, I can't get you in. Marjorie's already furious with you. You owe me for this.
You're weak. Just like Ethan was. Making Duncan his sentinel.
Damien, where are you?
Tell your uncle. Tell him. The North Grove must never be lost.
Finn!
They're everywhere!
We make for the North Grove! Let me save your life and our house. Iron from ice, brother. Iron from ice.
Ja, ihr seht, die Kacke ist am Dampfen. Deshalb ein bisschen Abkühlung hinter der Mauer. Ja. Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Auf geht's. Erste Folge der 6. und damit letzten Episode von dem Spiel, das da lautet, dessen Titel da lautet, Game of Thrones. So, jetzt gucken wir mal. Siegel der Foresters, ja, das habe ich schon mal gesehen. Ja. Ich sehe hier nirgends ein Siegel. Ja, ja. Eisdrache.
Hear the werewolves whisper. Haven't seen any werewolves this far north. The North Grove, beneath the watchful eye of the Ice Dragon. The Ice Dragon?
Ach, die Sternen da, die Sterne da meine ich. So. Ja, ja, ich hab's ja verstanden. Ich wollte mir trotzdem noch mal... So.
That must be it. We're close. I think I found it.
You found it? Are you sure? We can't afford to waste any more time. Not with the condition he's in.
I found it, Sylvie. Right under the eye of the Ice Dragon. Just like it says on the map. You hear that? Hey? It must be close.
I hope you're right. I don't know how much further he can go. We need to keep moving.
Ow!
His wound is getting worse.
It burns! It burns like all 7 L's combined! Oh. Listen, Garrett. I know I'm not well. And up here that can get you killed. But you've always been there for me. If anything happens, I want you to leave me. You take Sylvie and don't look back. Promise me, Garrett. I need to know you'll do it.
Sylvie would never stand for it. She'd never leave you behind.
Which is why it'll have to be you, Garrett. I mean this, Garrett. If I'm gone, Sylvie will need someone to look after her. I know she's stubborn and proud, but she's a good person.
You know you can count on me.
Thank you, Garrett. I know she can hold her own, but she's still my little sister.
What are you doing?
I found nightshade. It's poisonous, but in small doses it can help with pain. It's rare this far north.
We can use the nightshade to make Cotter more comfortable.
Right. It'll help keep him calm too, in the right amount. Luckily, I know how to use it. Can you help?
So. Wer ist denn da? Da war doch vorhin schon...
See this?
Da ist ein roter Baum. Ist das ein Wehr?
Whatever made this must be enormous. Claw marks.
Ja, ja, aber guck mal hier. Oh, Knochen.
Gods.
Ich muss nicht alles anfassen. Ich kann auch einfach mal gucken, ne? Du nix gucke mit dem Finger. Ja, aber man kann auch trotzdem mal anfassen. Blop.
It's not frozen. Must be a fresh kill.
Okay. Oh, jetzt hier. Wusste ich doch, dass es ein Wehrholzbaum ist.
Hear the werewolves whisper.
Tja, dann höre ich ihm mal zu, oder? Ach du Kack. Da ist ein Eisbär.
Shit! We have to cross the ice! Get Cotter across! I'll hold it off! Go!
Was will der eigentlich von uns? Der hat doch da ein ganzes Reh, das er futtern könnte. Oder ein Hirsch oder was das war. Mann, ey. Bin ich überhaupt nicht gut, was der da... Au. Bin nicht so gut. Ja. Oh, so ein Glück. Ja, aber Eisbären können doch... Also ich meine, die schwimmen doch da... Ja, und der Eisbär ist jetzt untergegangen und kann nicht schwimmen, oder wie? Der kommt jetzt 100 Pro irgendwo rausgeschossen.
Seven hells. Come on!
Okay. Erstmal gucken, was ich noch im Inventar habe. Halskette und Karte des Nordhains. 1. Wer kennt ihn nicht, den Nordhain? Okay. Ist nicht? Ist irgendwas zu sehen? Blaues Feuer. Ist das Eisenholz, was da? Eine Eisenholzfackel, die brennen blau.
You were right, Garrett. This has to be the North Grove.
Oh, finally.
I knew it! I told you it was real!
I should have had more faith in you. Look! Whoever they are, they can help us.
Hurry!
Dass Garrett überhaupt noch rennen kann. Ich meine, er muss, aber... Wer sind die? Also leben da wirklich noch Menschen? Es sind doch... Ja, es sind Wildlinge.
Garrett!
Oh, shit.
We're almost there! Quickly! To the village!
Da kommen die 2 Meter, die...
Do something!
Oh.
High Vis.
Wait! No!
Garrett! Tell them!
Keine Ahnung.
I represent House Forrester. I was squire to Lord Gregor himself.
Okay, das scheint ein bisschen Eindruck zu machen. Ich hoffe, das war das Richtige und nicht jetzt hier... Ah, dich suchen wir. Und dann hauen sie mich oder so. Okay. Ihr Leute, das letzte Mal Vorspann. Das letzte Mal, wo ich ein Video nicht monetarisieren könnte. Kann ich ja eh nicht. So. Schön. Also, es spielt... Ja, viel an der Mauer. Oh, ich bin müde, ihr Leute, ihr Leid, ihr Leid. Ihr Leid, ihr Kinder. So, also. La 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 la. So. Ja, ich könnte jetzt hier drüber labern, habe ich aber keinen Bock drauf, weil so. Dann wollen wir mal gucken, wie das ausgeht. Ich bin gespannt. Sorry, aber es ist schon spät. Folge 6. Der Eisdrache. Es sollte eigentlich Episode 6 heißen, aber ihr wisst, was ich meine. Der Eisdrache. Damit ist dann das Gestirn gemeint, oder wie? Tja. Läuft da noch ein Fernseher?
What were you thinking?
My lady, please.
She called? Yes, you escort her in, but you had nothing to do with the altercation.
Please, Lady Marjorie. Please don't send me back to Highgarden.
Finally, you grace us with your presence. I was beginning to think you'd found someone else to serve.
My lady, is there something I can help you with?
I'll get to you in a moment. Do you realize how precarious my position is with Cersei?
Of course, my lady.
Of all the people in King's Landing, you steal from the Queen Regent.
I didn't mean...
Did you know about this?
Geht's um den
Sarah's been
Wein?
stealing wine.
Oh, shit.
From Cersei, no less. As if I haven't got enough to worry about.
No, my lady. It doesn't sound like something Sarah would do.
Is that so?
I had no idea.
Really? Half the servants in the keep are talking about it, but somehow you're in the dark? Where's my key? I haven't seen it in weeks, and now my seal is locked in the armoire. Any
Shit, den hab
ideas,
ich
Mira?
geklaut.
Do you think
Den
our
hab ich
thief took that
geklaut.
too?
My lady, please. I would never steal from you.
I've yet to meet the thief who'd admit they would. How can I trust you
Einfach
again?
nichts sagen,
You
dann merkt's
can't,
nicht.
lady. I swear to the mother.
Stop swearing and start praying. You're going to need the Mother's grace. I'm sorry. It's not right to accuse without proof. It's just... I need order in my household. Until I'm married to Tommen, I can't afford any more mistakes. I have no choice but to make changes among my handmaidens. Tommen's garden party, Mira. What were you thinking? I can't believe you'd be so irresponsible. I expected better of you.
I had urgent business there, my lady. People were counting on me. Otherwise, I would never have disobeyed you.
I'm sure you had your reasons, Mira. You always do. At least you're honest about it. Sarah's been saying some damning things about you, Mira.
Was?
I suspect in an effort to save her own neck.
My lady, please.
You've said enough. One of you must answer for this. Sarah says you used her to get you into the party. You've been with me a long time, Mira. When I'm queen, I'll need people I can count on.
Okay, jetzt.
Please,
Eine muss gehen.
tell me this isn't true.
Mira, please. I can't go back to Highgarden. You promised me you'd take the blame for this.
Is Sarah telling the truth or not?
Scheiße, Mann, ich muss meine Familie retten.
You liar! Lady Marjorie, please.
Let her speak.
She forced me to come with her.
Mm.
Mira! How could you? I trusted you! And you betrayed me! Because it's the truth, Sarah. Lady Marjorie has been good to us. She deserves our honesty. And that's what she's getting from you? You deceitful, treacherous... One day, all of this will catch up to you, Mira. You'll end up with a knife in your back or your head on a spike. And when that day comes, I'll pray to the Seven for your soul.
That's enough, Sarah. Consider yourself dismissed from my service.
But my lady...
I said enough. Get out of my sight before you make things worse. Oh, such a sweet girl when she came to us. Why would she lie to me like that?
Nun, ich verstehe gar nicht, wie man sie
Why would
überhaupt
she
anlügen
betray
könnte.
my
Also,
trust?
ich weiß
Perhaps
auch
I
nicht
did
hier.
something
Also,
to turn her against me.
Since the
Vielleicht
day
wollte
she
sie mich ja
arrived, she's been
ersetzen.
angling to get closer to you, to take my place. Sarah may put on a sweet face, but she's as ambitious as anyone in King's Landing.
I saw that too. I just didn't want to believe it. For all the trouble you've brought, I'm glad you came to me. I think of you as more than just my handmaiden. You're a friend. An ally, even.
I've not been the best.
Hat die jetzt nicht den
handmaid
Schlüssel
to you.
gesehen?
I know.
Nor have you been the worst. But we both know you're not cut out for it. Not anymore. I have to distance myself from you for a time.
What? Why?
There are rumors circulating. Stupid lies about you and a murdered Lannister guard. But stupid lies can be dangerous. I can't be associated with this, or with you, until you put it to rest. I hope you understand. When I'm queen, I can help you again. Maybe we can help each other. Until then, be careful, Mira. And goodbye.
Die hat uns verarscht. Die wollte, dass wir uns gegeneinander oder gegenseitig beschuldigen, aber sie hat immer vorgehabt, uns beide loszuwerden. Mann. Okay, also eben die Hand genommen hat von mir. Und ich habe noch den Schlüssel in der Hand. Oh, Mann. Da versagt mir doch glatt die Stimme hier. Oh je. So, was haben wir hier? Ah ja.
They're nearly on us. Half a league or less.
You were right, my lord.
I know that snot-nosed bastard Griff. He was sent to kill me, not Roderick. He wouldn't run home to his father without trying again. Listen close! I want the road surrounded. Ride hard for Ironrath, and don't turn back. If this goes to hell, They'll need to know about Roderick. Yeah! Lay low and be ready to strike the moment I give the order.
And what order is that, Asher?
Paint the road with their blood.
Seven hells!
Holla. Guter Wurf.
Kill the Protestants! No grit!
Oh, he's a bloody coward.
Your brother was the coward. You should have seen him squeal when Griff gutted him like a pig.
Was?
My lord.
Holla. Sorry, aber meine Taste hat gehängt. Ja.
We're going to kill them all for this.
Roderick,
I wish I had known him, Asher. I'll never get to drink with him, fight by his side, complain about what an arse his little brother is.
Roderick was everything that I'm not. He was shrewd where I'm reckless. He was just. Roderick, he kept this house together through sheer force of will. My brother was a true lord.
They'll sing songs about him someday. But you're the lord here now, like it or not, by the laws of your land. And to these men, you've more than proven yourself.
I know. If I don't become lord, Roderick's sacrifice, everything we went through, will be for nothing.
You'll make Roderick proud. Make your father proud.
If only he could see me now.
We have to go, my lord. And Lord Whitehill will be on the march.
Let's move!
Wow. Geht gut vorwärts hier, die 6. Episode. Holla. Okay. Ich habe immer noch... Es könnte eine Falle sein. Nee.
Asher! Roderick! How could this happen? It makes no sense.
He died a hero.
Gregor was a hero. Ethan was a hero. Now Roderick? It means nothing to me.
It was his sacrifice that enabled us to escape.
It's not fair.
Talia, Mother, listen to me. We don't dare take time to mourn. Not yet. Lord is sure to move quickly now. He could be at our gates before nightfall. But there's hope yet! I've brought help! Warriors from across the narrow sea, with no equal in Westeros.
Whatever their skill, they are hardly an army.
My lady,
I've seen them twice in battle. I've seen Asher lead them. They're a force to be reckoned with and will be more than equal to whatever Lud could muster.
How can you say that? We've already lost.
What are you talking about?
Ramsay Snow. He came here. He set terms of war. He said the last house standing wins.
And with the Lord of House Forrester dead.
I fear she's right. By the terms put forth by the Boltons, we don't have a claim.
Roderick may be dead, but the Lord of House Forrester stands before you. I will lead us in battle. This war is not over until I say it is!
Asher will lead us!
Asher is our Lord!
Asher, I wish this were a happier occasion. But this sword has been held by a Forrester lord for centuries. Now, it is yours. All hail Asher Forrester, Lord of Ironrath, defender of the Ironwood Groves.
My father never trained me to be a lord. This was supposed to be Roderick's sword, but I was trained to fight. And by the gods, I will defend my father's house to the last breath. House Forrester will prevail this day!
Bin gespannt. Oha, oha, das will ich noch sehen.
He's lying. Look at him. He's a crow. He doesn't represent the Foresters. Never seen a crow this far north of the wall. Must be a deserter. I don't trust fucking deserters. And you're traveling with a wildling. All the more reason not to trust you.
We need your help. My friend is sick.
By the look of him, your friend is going to die. They must teach you nothing at Castle Black. I could have killed you out there, as easily then as I could now.
He's a warg.
The bear likes your kind even less than I do, so I suggest you shut your mouth. Your blade pierced his shoulder, and I felt the pain as if it were mine. You couldn't possibly understand what that's like. But I could make you understand.
Enough, Josera. He claims to serve House Forrester. Anyone could say as much. What proof do you have?
Ich hab noch die Kette.
If you'd have us believe it's not a lie.
I was given this by Talia Forrester before I left. It's the Forrester sigil. Made from ironwood.
Harida East.
You trust this crow?
That necklace is Forrester ironwood. No one else could craft it as well.
My friend is wounded.
He won't live long without our help. High vis.
Wait! Where are you taking him?
Who is
Könnten
this
die
girl?
wenigstens mal das Messer von ihr
Is she a
wegmachen?
prisoner? Why else would you be traveling with a wildling?
I promised to protect her.
A wildling girl?
I swore nothing bad would happen to her.
I told you we couldn't trust him.
My name is Elsera Snow. This is my brother Josera.
What is this place?
A refuge against the forces of darkness during the long night. A place of great power to those who know how to use it. I assume that's why you're here.
You're a long way from home, aren't you? There must be a reason you've come all this way.
Lord Gregor's last words before he fell were, "The North Grove must never be lost."
What do you mean? Last words before he fell?
Lord Gregor was slain at the Twins months ago, betrayed by Walder Frey. You didn't know? Of course. How could you?
He has no idea who we are.
Why would he?
You're right. He's just a messenger. All he did was use some ironwood necklace they gave him. Why should we trust him with anything? They clearly didn't. Otherwise, he would know.
Lord Gregor was willing to trust me. If he was, then you can too.
He wasn't the best judge of character.
Perhaps Lord Gregor never told anyone.
I wouldn't be surprised. Better to hide his shame where no one could find out. Whites.
Gregor went senden Björnen.
This is the gift the Grove gives me.
I control these warriors.
What about them?
Hiftanes.
What? No! Let me go!
Did they teach you to fight at Castle Black? I hope they did. Otherwise, you're likely to die.
I'll fight. But only if you release her.
I knew you couldn't be trusted. Maybe you're the one who should be tied up.
We don't have time for this. The dead are coming. I'll untie her, but she'll need to be watched. That's one less warrior, so I hope you know how to fight.
Könnten die mir nicht wenigstens so ein Glas-Dingens, Schwertdolch-Gedönse geben? Wie heißt das nochmal? Weißt du, was ich meine?
There's something wrong with them, Garrett. Those warriors. They're not normal free folk. Not like any I've ever seen.
Ready.
Cool, okay, danke. Da rennst du vom einen Krieg in den nächsten. Und das machen wir dann auch morgen. Geht's dann in Königsmund weiter. Da wird's. Oh shit. Hopp. Morgen, nur nicht heute. Morgen geht's weiter, ihr guten Leute. Schön. Eieiei.